This video will discuss how to extend the life of a lawn tractor transaxle by helping to prevent overheating. The tractor filmed in this video is a Craftsman lawn tractor, model number 917271530, with a Dana transaxle, model number D4360-140. This hard-working Dana transaxle is covered by a 3-inch thick layer of dried up grass, dirt, and debris. Removing this debris is essential to help lower the operating temperature of a lawn tractor transaxle. This debris can act like a warm blanket on top of the transaxle, causing the temperature to increase significantly. I utilized 3 techniques to clean the top of this Dana transmission. 1. Manual removal. 2. Vacuuming with a shop vac. 3. Using a leaf blower. Accessing the Dana transaxle is difficult, and that is why I used all 3 techniques to clean on top of it. Note, I already removed the mowing deck off camera before beginning this cleaning procedure. Considering most responsible tractor owners should be cleaning their machine after each use, how did this debris collect on top of the transaxle in the first place? I think the reason is the leaf blower itself, combined with the configuration of the deck and tractor body, caused air to be mixed with debris and circulate over the transaxle and settle there over time. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. In addition, if you found this video helpful, kindly like, share, hit the bell icon, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.